How to install Claude Chrome extension? Alright, so let's dive in. First of all, just open a browser and open a new tab. Now go on the search bar and type here Chrome web extension. Alright, type Chrome Web Store. Now go on the Chrome Web Store on the first website right over here. Now go on the search bar and type here Claude. Alright, press enter. Go on the first one, this one right over here. Now click on add to Chrome. Okay, click on add extension. Wait for a few moments. Alright, now your extension is installed. Just open a new tab. Go on this puzzle icon right over here on top right corner and now pin this extension. Okay, I'm gonna pin this. Now click on the extension and as you can see, now important thing to keep in mind that if you are not a paid user, you can't use a Claude Chrome extension on Chrome. You have to be on a paid plan in order to use this extension. Alright, so I'm gonna log in with my account. Now just click on authorize. Okay, now open a new tab, click again on your extension, and as you can see, you can use your extension. Click on I understand, next, let's go. Now as you can see, I can access my models right over here. 4.8, Opus 4.7, Sonnet 4.6. Now I can also change the effort from low to max. I can attach any files or any pictures I want. Now if you want to change some settings of this extension, click on this three dots right over here, click on extension settings, and you can change the settings from here. Okay, so that's how you can add Claude extension on Chrome. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.